afternoon. Breezy with highs in the lower 60s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. The preceding signal was a test of the no-weather radio, all hazards warning system, on station WXK-49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If a severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. Here is the forecast. Smithville, Watertown, Baxter, Gainsboro, and surrounding areas. Today, mostly cloudy this morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, a chance of showers in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Highs around 60. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with rain showers in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s.
This is a different
chance of rain
channel.
30%. Sunday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 30%. Monday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 30%. The current time is 11:16 a.m. Central Standard Time. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Partly sunny. The temperature was 51 degrees. Dew point was 31, and the relative humidity was 46%. Winds were south at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.14 inches and falling. The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm Device and Emergency Alert System. during potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies. Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station West, X, North 74, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Smith County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of DeKalb, Jackson, Putnam, Smith, Trousdale, Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Partly sunny. The temperature was 51 degrees. Dew point was 31, and the relative humidity was 46%.